Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you're like me, if you own your Challenger or Charger or any Dodge that has this type of fitting, you're going to be running into this situation that I'm in right now. So I'm pretty sure this thing is called the evac tube, and I've had this car since 2016, so 6-7 years now, and I've noticed that this is starting to corrode really bad. Look at that. You guys can notice it, but believe me when I tell you that this rubber is falling apart already. And I believe it's gonna start giving me a vacuum leak. So to be proactive about this, I'm making a quick video on how to replace it, because I looked this part up online, the evap line. And this whole unit goes to a little sensor that's in the back of the engine. I'm not sure you guys are gonna be able to see it, but somewhere down there. And to replace that line is about $50-$60. So if I'm gonna try to save some money and just replace the thing that's actually worn out. So I went to AutoZone and I grabbed this PVC elbow. It's about the same size of what I need right there. Yes, you can see it. So for like 11 bucks, wasn't it? It was like $11. I'm gonna go ahead and just replace this, and it should eliminate this issue, because I don't think I'm at it right now, but it's just a matter of time until I have a vacuum leak. And to avoid that, I'm gonna go ahead and just replace this real quick. So go ahead and just put that on right there. Yeah. And I'm gonna go ahead and just slide that piece in there, as so. One-handed. There it is. And just like that, took care of a potential vacuum leak that I could have had in my car. So if you guys run into this issue, go ahead and go to your local AutoZone and grab a PVC elbow. Repair it on the cheap side. There you go. Save some money where you can, because these cars are expensive and expensive to maintain. And there we go. Thanks for watching, guys.